Hi guys, as you can see we can't have multiple connections at the same time. I have recently come across a useful tool called multicat. It is a powerful tool that allows us to open multiple netcat sessions simultaneously. With multicat, we can establish multiple connections quickly and easily. It is a great tool for those who need to access multiple services or servers at once. Additionally, multicat is easy to use and can be set up in a matter of minutes. It is a great tool for anyone who needs quick and efficient access to multiple services. To install this tool, simply type pip install multicat. To run this program, simply type python mmc or mc to open multicat tool. Now you can see I have multiple sessions of netcat at same time. Now I can handle multiple connections at the same time. Please give a like if I helped you out.